desperately. Something changed here. You don't see it, but I can feel it everywhere. It's fine.